Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to add information to the dictionary and how to update the information of the dictionary. So, how to add the information? The grammar is dictionary name under the key square bracket and equals value. Let's look at the example. So player is the dictionary name. We use equal curly bracket. Inside the curly bracket, we have key name value Alex. Another key age value 13. So what about I want to add more information like a weapon? How to do that? Dictionary name, add a weapon equals some value, diamond, sword. What's wrong? Because the Python does not the word play. It should be player. So let's print the player. So you see the player has name, age, and also weapon. We just added. What about we add health value? Dictionary name. The key is health. The value, what about 200? Let's run the program. So the health value was added to the player. So how to change the information? What about now the player health value is 200. How about I want to change it to 100? We have the key value health equals 100. So the key health exists in the dictionary player. So why? Because we see we added two keys into the player. So this is the new dictionary. Now we have the key health. I want to update the value of health. Oh, why? Because I printed the player early. Now let's print a player here. What's the value of health? It's 100, not 200, because I update the health value. So if the key exists, then we assign a value. We assign a value to update it. How to find the information? For example, I want to know the player's name. What should we do? Player name is. How to find the information? We write the dictionary name and the key. Let's run the program. So player name is Alex. What about let's try. What about we give a random key like favorite color. Do we have the key favorite color? No. There is an error. But what should we do? We don't want to have an error. I'm not sure if I have the key favorite color. We can do it instead of dictionary name and the key name. We can use the method get. Let's run the program. The player name is none. Oh, here. I should change it to favorite color. Let's run the program again. So the favorite color is none. So when we try to get the information for a key that does not exist in dictionary, it would be safe to use the method .get instead of like line 15, just call the name. If we have a name, we will have a key that does not exist in this dictionary. We would get error, like what we get here. So the key error means favorite color does not exist in the dictionary. So let's start a challenge. Students scores. I created a empty dictionary. Now I want to add students and their scores. What can we do? Class scores. We have Alex equals 72. So let's print so at the beginning, class score is an empty dictionary. Now I add one student and its score. Let's run the program. So we have one student and its score. We also can add more students. You can do it after the class. Thank you.